When homeowners in Rayne, Louisiana, consider making improvements that truly pay off, window replacement often tops the list. Beyond just enhancing curb appeal, new windows bring measurable financial and lifestyle benefits, from energy savings to property value increases. Whether you plan to sell your home soon or simply want to invest in long-term comfort, replacing old windows can be one of the smartest upgrades you make. Enhanced curb appeal and first impressions matter, especially in the housing market. When prospective buyers pull up to your home, windows play a major role in defining its overall look and feel. Modern, energy-efficient windows with clean lines and updated frames instantly refresh your home's appearance. In Rayne's humid subtropical climate, older wooden or metal-framed windows can easily warp, peel, or rust over time. Replacing them with durable vinyl or fiberglass options not only prevents this deterioration but also gives your home a crisp, updated aesthetic. The result is a visually appealing exterior that signals to potential buyers that the property has been well maintained. Curb appeal can make or break a sale, and new windows often help your home stand out in competitive real estate markets like Rayne's. Improved energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the biggest selling points of window replacement is energy efficiency. Outdated, single-pane windows allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder, especially during Louisiana's hot, humid summers. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low-E coatings can dramatically reduce heat transfer. These windows act as an insulating barrier, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Over time, the energy savings from reduced electricity bills can offset much of the installation cost. Buyers in Rayne are increasingly energy conscious, and an energy-efficient home can command a higher price on the market. Highlighting these savings can make your home more attractive to potential buyers who value sustainability and long-term cost reduction. Noise reduction and comfort. Rayne is known for its community charm, but like any growing area, it also experiences its share of traffic and neighborhood noise. New windows designed with soundproofing technology, like laminated glass or insulated frames, can greatly reduce noise intrusion. This improvement translates into a more peaceful indoor environment, which adds to your home's livability and appeal. Comfort features like this may not show up directly in a property appraisal, but they often influence buyer decisions when comparing homes. Increased home security. Modern window systems are also equipped with advanced security features that older models lack. Multi-point locking mechanisms, reinforced glass, and impact-resistant materials make it more difficult for intruders to gain entry. For Rayne homeowners, this added layer of protection is a valuable bonus. Safety-conscious buyers are willing to pay more for homes that come with upgraded, reliable window systems. Higher resale value and ROI. From a financial standpoint, window replacement offers one of the best returns on investment, ROI, in home improvement. According to national remodeling data, homeowners can expect to recoup 70 to 80% of the replacement cost when selling their property. In Rayne, where property values are steadily appreciating, this ROI can be even higher. A well-insulated, visually appealing home with new windows tends to sell faster and closer to asking price than one with outdated, inefficient windows. When appraisers and real estate agents assess home value, they often factor in the age and condition of windows as part of the property's overall maintenance quality. New windows signal to buyers that they won't need to invest in repairs or replacements anytime soon, a major selling advantage. A smart investment for every Rayne homeowner. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to improve your living environment, replacing your windows in Rayne is a practical and rewarding investment. You'll enjoy lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, better aesthetics, and increased home security, all while boosting your property's resale value. By choosing high-quality, energy-efficient windows and professional installation, you can make your Rayne home more beautiful, efficient, and market-ready for years to come.